you in the club?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kaylee, and today I am opening up this Baby Dory Play-Doh surprise egg for you. If you guys want to see how I made the Baby Dory in Play-Doh, you can check out my other video on our channel. Okay, let's go ahead and get started unwrapping this egg. Isn't Baby Dory cute? Look, it's a baby hedgehog. Isn't she cute? With her spiky pink hair. She has a little basket with stars on it. And she comes with a deco bit. And it's a little pencil. Aww. This one is all natural minion too. He's so cute. His little starfish swimsuit and his hula skirt. Next up, I have a frozen chocolate surprise egg for you. Mmm. Aw, it's Anna, Amy Jo's favorite character. She's so cute. And here's all the figurines that you can collect. Ew. What kind of breed does he look like? This is a French Bulldog, and he is in the smelliest section. He has a green eye, one bigger than the other one, and a stinky purple ball. Okay, and next up, I'll open this DC Comics blind bag. And I got Superman. Look, he has red eyes. And next up, I have this Adventure Time Kid Robot blind box. Let's see which keychain I get today. And it's the Ice King. He looks like Old Man Winter. See? It's a cute little bobblehead elephant. But his ears kind of look like a monkey. And his nose looks like an elephant. And his tail looks like a lion. I don't know what he is. Let's see if I know what's in the Season 2 Shopkins blind bag. Of course I do. It's Toffee Coffee. And next up, I have a My Little Pony Squishy Pop. I think it's gonna be Fluttershy. Oof, I can get it open. That was hard. I don't think it is Fluttershy because she has light pink hair. Let me know in the comments below if you know what this My Little Pony's name is. And now I'll show you what's in my Disney Surprise Princess Chocolate Egg. Ooh. It's Cinderella. And she can roll along like that. Oops. Alright, it's our last surprise. A Disney Vinylmation Holiday figurine. These are all the ones that you can collect. I think I've collected most of these. Not Christmas though. And I don't think that I got this one, which I think is Mardi Gras, or 4th of July, or President's Day. It's Hanukkah! I know I've collected this one before, but I think it's really cool, because you can see through it. Isn't that neat? I think my favorite surprise from this whole egg is the Ice King. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite surprise was. And if you want to see more fun Play-Doh surprise eggs with Finding Dory characters, just click on the thumbs up. This is Kaylee for DCTC, and thanks for watching!